Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Banjo Kazooie on your Nintendo Switch. First, you'll need an active Nintendo Switch Online, plus expansion pack membership. This subscription tier grants you access to a growing library of classic Nintendo 64 games, including Banjo Kazooie. Make sure your console is connected to the internet to download and launch the Nintendo 64 application. It's a straightforward process to get started with this beloved platformer. Once your subscription is active, locate the Nintendo Switch Online application icon on your console's home screen. Open this application, and you'll see various classic console libraries. Choose the Nintendo 64 Nintendo Switch Online option. Within this library, scroll through the available titles until you find Banjo Kazooie. Select the game, and it will launch, bringing you right into the Spiral Mountain adventure. Getting familiar with the controls is key to enjoying Banjo Kazooie. Use the left joystick to move Banjo and the right joystick to adjust your camera view, giving you full environmental awareness. The A button is your primary jump, while the B button performs basic attacks and actions. Your main goals are to collect Jiggies, which unlock new worlds, and musical notes, which open doors within Gruntilda's lair. There are 10 Jiggies in each world. Saving your progress is simple in Banjo Kazooie. The game often autosaves after you collect important items like Jiggies or complete significant objectives. For manual saving, seek out Mumbo Jumbo's skull in each world. Interacting with it will save your game. When you're ready to take a break, press the ZL and ZR buttons together to bring up the Nintendo 64 application menu. From there, you can easily suspend or close the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.